Hello guys, today I'm doing a what I eat in a week. In this video, I'm going to be sharing everything that I eat in a week and my workouts. I hope you enjoy! Today, I decided to go on a run to prepare for my track meet the next day. I ran for around 15 minutes, and then I did some strides. I also decided to do a short ab workout by Caroline Girvin. For breakfast, I made Linda Sun's protein pancakes. You better get used to those because you'll be seeing them a lot in this video. So good. Lunchtime! For lunch, I made myself a salad, which honestly I think are so good if you can put the right things on them. Salads are literally so good if you can find the right toppings and dressings to put on it. I'm about to try this mug cake recipe that I found on Pinterest. I'm a little nervous because I have no idea if it's going to be good, but we'll see. Time to try this thing. Okay, it's really hot. I can't taste it too much. It's not awful. Actually, the more that I eat it, like, the better it gets. I'm kind of starting to like it. So now I have this basketball camp thing I have to go to. It's like every Sunday and it's just like working on shooting skills and stuff, and I hate it, but I still have to go. It doesn't start until 6 and it's only 4:30 right now, but we're picking up one of my friends too, so we have to leave kind of early. For dinner, I had a couple of these prosciutto and mozzarella rolls. After the basketball thing, I packed some snacks for my track meet the next day. For breakfast, I made myself some oatmeal, which I do every single race day. How do people make their oatmeal pretty? So I barely have any oatmeal here because on track meet days, and this was the same for cross country, I can barely eat any food. I think it's just because of nerves, and I don't even feel that nervous right now, but I guess subconsciously I still do because my stomach just like won't take in any food.
Hey guys. Can I vlog on your phone? Can you post it? Hey guys. Why are my eye bags so big? And we cannot show our Wait, cut that out, cut that out. But we're really cool, actually. Yeah, I can't show you our cool tent. Yeah, I can. Yellow. And we're going camping. We're staying the night here.
After the track meet, I got a cheeseburger and fries for dinner, and then I hopped in the hot tub because my muscles were pretty sore.
Elsa.
Definitely got sunburnt today. I need to put on more sunscreen next time. The next morning, I decided to do some stretching because my muscles were pretty sore. For breakfast, I had my usual. I just got back from school. Today at track, it was really cold and a little rainy, so we got to stay inside. And after they handed out medals from the meet yesterday, we just did an ab workout. And then for lunch today, we had fries and a corn dog. Honestly, lunch was really pathetic today. And I also grabbed a cookie to go along with that. For dinner, I had beef tacos with rice, and on my way to dance, I grabbed a little snack. Whenever I try to make my bed, I had another track meet the next day, so I made some more oatmeal.
Guys, can we post it? It's Clara and Emmy. Oh, I think Hope's running like right now, and we're gonna go watch her. Let's go film this. Let's go film this. You're coming. There goes Emmy. Wait, we all got placed back. We're gonna go interview her. Hopefully she doesn't throw up.
Like you said that one time.
Hope,
We're here to interview you.
did you hear us yelling at the other girl?
That was the last track meet of the season, which is so sad, but I did end on a high note. I got first in the 800 and the high jump and second in the mile, and I PR'd in all of my events. Also, this meet was going pretty fast, so I was out on the field the entire time because I had my 800 and then my high jump and then my mile. I did get a bit of a break, but I was also cheering people on the entire time. Right now it's 4:15, but my mom's getting me dinner now because I literally haven't eaten since breakfast, which is so bad when you're running around and like getting in such a workout. I was just having too much fun. Also, Gracie, Kate, and Petra told me to give them a shout out, so here you go. Right now I'm just doing some editing, and I'll see you when I get my food. Look how cute this little brownie is. The eyes have kind of fallen off, but like... I got back from dance a little bit ago. I know my hair looks really cute, and I'm about to hop in the shower and then head to bed. For breakfast today, I had scrambled eggs and did a lot of laughing at Reese's mistake.
She ate almost the whole thing.
For breakfast, my sister had cinnamon sugar toast, but instead of cinnamon, she used that ground cumin. I ended up not loving what we had for dinner today, so I warmed up some leftover chicken Alfredo and then grabbed a little snack. These nails are really cute. They're also really long, and I tried making them shorter and it didn't really do anything. I'll figure it out before school starts, but for now I'm just gonna try and like see if I can get used to it because I do kind of like them. Today I followed a Caroline Gervin leg complex workout, which was killer. Afterwards, I made pancakes for breakfast and then went shoe shopping. It's literally 3 p.m. I don't know why I eat lunch so late on the weekends. So good. Today, my friend came over and we had a nice dinner with her and her family. Afterwards, we decided to make some peanut butter blondies.